Yo, what up, squad? All right, y'all, so real quick, man, when was the last time that you actually cleaned your windows? Now, don't lie to me, all right? We can be honest here. And I mean, like, properly actually clean them. For most of us, man, the answer is either it was a while ago or, I would pay someone to do that. But what if a robot could actually do it for you and save you money versus having someone else do it? And it's even gonna clean up after itself, it's gonna wash its own pads, and it's gonna put itself away, all without you having to touch a single thing. This is exactly what the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI actually does. This is the most advanced window cleaning robot ECOVACS has ever built. And today, man, I was fortunate enough to get my hands on one, and I'm gonna be breaking down everything you guys need to know in this video on exactly what makes this thing here a true game changer. Now, before we get into all of the features here, man, real quick, what is even a WINBOT? I know this is a question you guys might be wondering. A WINBOT, y'all, is basically a dedicated robotic solution that is built specifically for window cleaning. Its entire existence is literally just to clean glass and to do it better than you actually can by hand. And ECOVACS, y'all, they not new to this, man. They are the global #1 when it comes to robotic windows cleaner, and the W3 OMNI, y'all, is the most advanced model ever. Now, here's the thing that actually makes the W3 OMNI different from every other window robot that is out there. It's not just a robot, it's a complete system. The robot, y'all, it cleans windows, then the OMNI station washes the pads. Together, they handle the job entirely from start to finish. You don't clean windows, you don't wash the pads, you don't do anything. I want to make that like a staple point of this video. Think about it like this. One professional window cleaning service for a large home can literally cost you as much as owning this machine here outright. Now, the first feature, y'all, is the one where I feel like you kind of need to see it to believe it. So here's what we're going to do. I want you guys to look at this glass right here. This part of the glass, the robot has been through, right? This part of the glass that you guys are looking at now, it hasn't touched it at all. So now you guys can kind of see the contrast, and that is the proof. The W3 OMNI, man, it isn't just moving around your window looking busy. It is actually visibly cleaning your windows. The before and after that you guys can see right here, man, on this large glass panel is genuinely next level. It's the kind of streak-free, crystal clear result that's really hard to actually get by hand without leaving like smear marks everywhere. And trust me, we've all been there, I'm sure, y'all. And the thing that really separates a real cleaning results from a fake one is 100% lighting, all right? Walk with me here. How many of you guys out there have ever cleaned your glass and then natural light comes about and it just breaks all of your spirits faster than anything on the planet when it comes to your windows? It literally will expose every streak, every smudge, every single missed spot that you thought that you got. And I'm filming this right here, y'all, in natural light, and you can see right off the bat that the W3 OMNI did its thing, y'all. Now, this second feature here, y'all, is the one where a lot of window robots just completely fall apart. And that is edges as well as the corners. Now, most robots, they literally just avoid the frame entirely and they leave a dirty border around every window. When it comes to the W3 OMNI, y'all, it has what's called TruEdge technology. So how this works is it actively controls pressure and it lifts at the edges instead of just passively grazing them, right? So watch this real quick. You can see the scrubber lowers itself, presses tightly along the window frame with that 1.1 millimeter edge reach. It cleans right to the boundary and then lifts cleanly as it moves away to prevent secondary contamination. Meaning, y'all, it is not dragging dirty water back across the clean glass that it literally just finished cleaning. Corners, straight edges, curved frame, TruEdge, y'all, I'm telling you, bro, it handles it all with an active precision. Now, this is the difference, in my opinion, since I've been using this, that is the difference between a window that looks clean versus a window that actually is clean edge to edge. And I'm telling you, bro, this is the way. Now, this third feature, y'all, is how the W3 OMNI actually attacks dirt, right? And the sequence here, I'm telling you, it matters. The robot uses a 3-nozzle wide angle system spray here that wets the glass first, which dissolves the dirt, it dissolves the grime, as well as dried on residue before the pad ever touches it. Then the pad itself will wipe across that pre-treated surface. So you guys might be out there like me when I first started using this, and you're probably like, why does this sequence actually matters? Because listen to this. If you guys wipe a dry, dirty window, you're just dragging the grime across and creating streak marks as well as drag lines. By spraying first and then wiping second, the W3 OMNI dissolves the mess before it actually moves it, which is exactly how a professional cleaner would work in this scenario. But in this case, it's done automatically on every single pass. The result is a streak free finish instead of just like a smeared, cloudy look that you guys get from other robots that just literally just drag a damp pad across dry glass. Now, this fourth feature here, man, honestly, I feel like it might be the feature that makes the W3 Omni worth every single penny that you're going to spend on it, which I highly recommend you guys check out the link that I have for you guys down in the description after this video. So this next part I want to tell you guys about is called the Vortex wash, and it is dope. Now, this is the part that I feel like everybody used to do that you really didn't feel like doing, so now you don't have to do it. So you might be sitting there like, CKid, bro, what is the Vortex wash? Well, I'm glad you asked. So how this works is inside of the station, it has 4 cleaning discs that deep cleans the pads with continuous high pressure rinsing that breaks down the stubborn grind. Densely packed brushes press as well as scrub each fiber, mimicking a hand washing motion. Then there's rubber scrapers that remove dirty water, and the discs spin in reverse to be able to squeeze out every excess moisture, leaving the pads perfectly moistened and ready for the next cleaning session. And it has a 96% stain removal rate with a 1-minute wash time. Now, the station also contains the dirty water internally, so this way the mess never transfers itself back to the robot or onto your floor. This is the closed loop system that no other window robot has, and it changes everything about what hands-free actually means. I'm telling you, bro, since I've been using this here, man, the fact that I don't have to touch anything after it's done, bro, it's game changing, man. Now, this fifth feature here, man, has to deal with the navigation, right? The W3 Omni runs WindSlam 5.0, which is basically ECOVAC's most advanced glass navigation system. Now, here's what this actually means in real life. The robot doesn't just follow a fixed grid pattern and it just hope for the best. No, it adapts dynamically to whatever glass it's on: shower enclosures, corridor partitions, cabinet glass, frameless windows, large floor-to-ceiling panels, anything regarding glass. It reads the real-world glass environment and it adjusts its cleaning path in real time. It also has dynamic obstacle avoidance. So let's say, for example, you guys may have window handles, locks, as well as frame obstacles. All of that will get navigated around instead of getting bumped into repeatedly. And then on top of that, bro, you also have multiple cleaning modes. You have the fast mode, you have thorough, you have edge, you have spot, you have heavy duty, deep cleaning, and then last you have the zone mode. So this way, man, you're matching the cleaning intensity to what the glass actually needs, not just running one setting on every single window in your house, if that makes sense. And of course, man, you guys know we could not do this video here, man, if we didn't talk about this sixth feature here, and that is the safety feature, all right? And I need to spend a little moment on this because the W3 Omni, y'all, is a robot that sticks to vertical glass surfaces, which I'm sure it raises a real question, right? What happens if something goes wrong? ECOVACS, y'all, has built in a 12-tier safety protection system, and the key, y'all, is system. Safety isn't handled by just one mechanism with this. It is a layered approach where multiple systems are working all together all the time. The Omni Station provides a weighted 10-kilogram anchor point, and the suction base generates 800 N's of force, keeping the robot attached to the glass. And let's say, for example, man, the power was also to get cut unexpectedly. The robot in itself will remain attached to the glass for up to 30 minutes, giving you guys plenty of times to be able to safely retrieve it. Now, the compound cable is a 2-in-1 power as well as safety cable with an auto locking mechanism that prevents tangling and accidental detachment. And for homes without an outlet that might be nearby the window, the W3 Omni runs on dual power modes, battery power, as well as plugged in. So no window in your house is off limits. And the seventh and final feature, man, that I feel like is important to tell you guys about is just how easy this whole setup was and just has been to be able to use day to day. And the answer, y'all, is very, man. This setup is very easy. The station has clear visual display with physical control buttons. There's no confusing app required to be able to start a basic clean. Everything is accessible, readable, as well as operable by anyone within your household, regardless of if that person is tech savvy or, you know, they may not be tech savvy. Cable management, y'all, which is usually a nightmare when it comes to window robots, but not for this one right here, y'all. This one is handled by what's called auto wire retraction. Basically, it's one button, one press, and the cable rewinds automatically. There's no tangling, there's no manual winding cable or anything like that. There's no mess. You literally just place the robot, press start, and you walk away and go do something else. So here's my final thoughts since I've been using the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI. I'm gonna tell y'all, bro, it has been absolutely amazing, bro. I've never really had my windows so clean before, especially at a price point of $699.99 that's on Amazon, and it genuinely is the most complete window cleaning system that has ever been built and that I've personally ever used. I'm telling y'all, bro, the robot cleans, the station washes the pads, and you do nothing. And that's the whole deal, man. So if you guys are interested, man, I will have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below. Also, man, major shout out to my friends over at ECOVACS for sponsoring today's video. I'm CKid, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.